Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I hope you are practicing social distancing and you all are safe. So I'm just starting off today's vlog with these beautiful clippings from our terrace. I think this has become my favorite place these days. Being at home can take a toll on you sometimes, but if you have a balcony or a terrace, then just step out to your balcony or the terrace and feel the fresh air brushing your skin. The experience is something you should try out yourself to understand it. Just try it out once and you will know what I'm saying. So that's me just being carefree and enjoying the moment to the fullest. After this, we went downstairs to collect our parcel. So the delivery people just deliver the product to our security and we just have to collect it from there. This is the next day and I am making some roti for my husband to pack for his lunch. I had already prepared some mushroom curry last night to go with it. So he has office on alternate days and he prefers to take roti and some curry with it. Please do let me know how are things there and have you guys started going to your offices and stuff like that. You can drop in your comments in the comment section. I would be more than happy to know how you guys are coping with all this.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
My husband is almost ready for office and he leaves at 8 a.m. sharp. He is wearing a mask and he does not remove it until he gets back home, except for having his lunch. So he's almost secure. Let's hope for the best. Now that's it for the vlog part, and now onwards I would be doing like a lockdown series. That is what all I did extra during the lockdown. For example, craft and cooking. And today I will be sharing one such item here, which is a DIY fairy lamp. So you can just continue watching if you are interested in that. So this is how it looks like, and it is a very easy DIY lamp. Please do try it out at home. You can either use this to decorate your table, or you can use it as a night lamp. So all you would need to make this fairy lamp is any glass bottle like I am showing here, and also a fairy light which you use to decorate homes for Diwali or to decorate a Christmas tree. So once you have these two, you just have to fill the bottle with the fairy lights. So after you fill it up with the fairy lights, you just have to switch off the lights and on the fairy light. So you have the perfect lamp at home. You can decorate it anyway and anywhere you want. I hope you all loved watching this video, and please do try it out at home. It's a very simple DIY and I hope you all love this. So thank you all for watching. Bye.